Introduction: Are you dreaming of working in Norway in 2025, but don't want to get trapped by agents or false promises? Whether you're from India, Bangladesh, the Philippines, Nigeria, or the Middle East, this video is your complete guide to moving to Norway for work without using any agents. Norway needs skilled and semi-skilled workers, and if you follow this guide, you'll know exactly where to find real job offers and how to apply legally and directly. Let's begin. Why Norway is a great destination in 2025. Norway is one of the safest, cleanest, and most stable countries in the world. In 2025, it's still experiencing labor shortages in many sectors including construction, hospitality, and logistics engineering, and skilled worker visa is open, and you don't need an agent to apply. You just need a valid job offer. Who can apply? If you have at least 2 to 3 years of relevant work experience, a valid passport, ability to speak English or Norwegian, basic education or technical qualifications, then yes, you can apply. Even if you've worked in the Gulf countries like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, or Kuwait, your experience counts. Norway values real, practical experience. Where to find jobs in Norway? No agent needed. Here are 4 powerful job portals to find genuine jobs. 1. NAV, Norway's official job portals, Arbeidsplassen, NAV, Filters, English language jobs, location, job type. 2. Finn, no popular private job portal, translate from Norwegian if needed. 3. Job Norge, no mostly for academic or government jobs, but still useful. 4. LinkedIn, commuse keyword filters, visa sponsorship. Norway, English jobs in Oslo, Bergen, connect with recruiters and apply directly. Pro tip, set job alerts to get daily emails for new vacancies.
How to apply for jobs the right way. Once you find a job, 1. Prepare a Norwegian-style CV. No photo, short and clean, focus on skills and experience. 2. Write a cover letter, show interest in the company, mention relocation availability. 3. Submit through the portal or send via email if provided for. Follow up politely after 7 to 10 days. Sample email. Subject: application for job title. Your name. Dear hiring manager, I am writing to apply for the job title role at your company. I have X years of experience in your field and am ready to relocate. I've attached my CV and cover letter. Looking forward to hearing from you. Sincerely, your name. How to get the visa. Once you receive a job offer, your employer will send you a signed job contract. You will then 1. Go to udi.no, the official immigration website. 2. Apply for the skilled worker visa. 3. Upload all required documents needed: passport, job offer letter, proof of education, experience, updated visa application form, passport photos, police clearance certificate optional but recommended. Visa processing takes 1 to 3 months, depending on your country. Avoid scams and agents. Many people lose money to fake job offers. Here's how to avoid them. Never pay anyone to guarantee a job. Check if the company has a real website. Look for job listings only on official portals. Ask for a formal job contract before sharing any documents. If someone says, "Pay me first, and I'll get you the job," run away. Common questions answered. 1. Can I apply from India or Bangladesh? Yes. The Norway visa process is open globally. Q2. What if I don't speak Norwegian? Many entry-level jobs are available in English, especially in big cities. Q3. Can I bring my family later? Yes. After receiving a work visa, you can apply for family reunification. Q4. What is the average salary? Most jobs pay between 180-300 NOK hour, depending on your experience. Conclusion plus call to action. So if you're serious about working in Norway in 2025, the path is clear. Build your CV, apply on official job portals, avoid agents and scams, start your visa process after getting a job offer. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want me to cover how to write a Norwegian-style resume templates. Real success stories of people who moved to Norway. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to Norway.